idea of what's inside. Magnetic connect. Look at this little keychain. Can hold up to 3 pounds. Never seen nothing like this. Y'all know I like unique stuff. Okay. This is a multi-tool function, and it has 6 tools. A bottle opener, a wrench, Phillips, screwdriver, wire cutters, and a clip. Okay. And it says KeySmart with Towel Smart Locator. Never lose your keys again. Find it with Towel. Wow. Attach any car remote, Bluetooth tracking device, locates your keys on a map, holds up to 10 keys. You already know it's tech. So I'm going to read the instructions because I don't do anything without reading instructions. And then I'm going to go into detail about what all this smart stuff and smart keys and my keys look like. I will leave information and the link to this in my description below. This is the world's smartest key organizer. It has the USB. It's rechargeable. It comes with the USB cord. Charges for 2 hours. It lasts up to 45 days. There is the towel button, as well as the little light to let you know if it's charged. It also has a little flashlight, which is right there. The flashlight is bright enough to see a keyhole in the dark. It's not really to use as a flashlight itself. Also, it's a slim design. It helps you find any missing keys or your phone. It also has a loop that you can attach your car remote to. And that loop flips over and turns into a bottle opener. So you have access to that. In addition, you can add a gigabyte USB. You can also add a pocket clip to this. Also a quick release, a screwdriver. And all of this has additional fees, as well as the mag, which I have, you'll see. This works with an app, the Towel app, and all you do is hold it to it with, make sure your Bluetooth is on, and it will register. It also works with Alexa and Google. It says it works with a variety of keys. So I have a variety sizes of keys, shapes of keys. I'm going to open this up and insert these keys. They do say that there's a spacer. Has little rubber pieces in. So we're going to take it from this side first. And these are the little separation that should go in between the keys. So we're going to use one of these, place this here, and then the key should be going on the inner. So what I am going to do is try my big key and see if it will fit in. Set everything up. It's already set up. I'm going to hit it just in case I lost my phone and see what it does. And that's the sound, the melody for me to look for my phone or for my keys. This is how it looks when it's open. There is different size keys and the bottle opener is still there with the magnet right here. This is going to be changed to my car remote. They do fit in easily, nice, compact. However, if you notice, my house key is sticking out because it's a wider key. Hook your Amazon Alexa to it as well. Ask Tyler to find keys.
I'm ringing your KeySmart Pro.
Don't need the phone if you have an Alexa. Or, I think it's Google as well. Alexa, if you like this video, slap that subscribe button because you want to be a honeybee.